Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am so excited to be unboxing with you all my new ring light. Let's get into it. Okay, so here is the 18-inch RGB ring light. Comes with the USB plug, which I've already plugged in. Comes with the on and off switch. Battery packs that you can put in so you don't have to use a cord. And then this is to control the lighting. So I've already plugged it up. I'm going to show you that. It also comes with the remote control. And it comes with a piece that you can use either your phone or your camera. So let's go ahead and turn her on. Absolutely love the covering on here so you don't have to deal with those little individual pieces. This is so cool. So let's see if we can figure this lighting situation out. All right, so let me sit and see how. Okay, so that's controlling the brightness of it. You can also use different colors. So let me see if I can figure that out. See if this remote has batteries. If not, we're gonna put batteries in here so that we can do this the right way. All right, we're gonna turn it off. And we're gonna get some batteries. Okay, so I figured out how to work the ring light. I added batteries to the remote, so I'm just gonna show you some of the settings. But first, I'm going to turn down my ring light that I'm using right now. So, okay, now my ring light is off, so this is only the light from this ring light. And as you can see right now, it is on the color green. And you can tone that down or up. And then we can go to blue, purple, red, which I love, orange, yellow, and then there's also where you can, it switches in between colors. So it goes from the lightest to the darkest hue of that color. And then it switches between different colors. So yeah, really loving this ring light. Definitely gonna have to play with it a whole bunch just to figure out all the different settings and different features and how to work it. So stay tuned for some updates, but so far so good. So excited about this new ring light. So get ready for some amazing content with our RGB light.